Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Grafana dashboards for data warehouse health. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Grafana instance. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to create dashboards. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the Create icon. From the drop-down menu, select Dashboard. This will open a blank dashboard for you to start customizing. To add a panel, click on the Add a Panel button. You will be taken to the Panel Editor interface. In the Panel Editor, choose the data source that is connected to your data warehouse. This is crucial for fetching the relevant health metrics. Once you select the data source, you can begin to write your query. Use the Query Editor to specify the metrics you want to visualize. For data warehouse health, consider metrics like query performance and error rates. Customize your visualization type based on your preferences. Grafana offers options like graphs, tables, and gauges. Adjust the settings for your panel to enhance readability. This includes title, legends, and axis labels. Once your panel is configured, click on the Apply button. Repeat the process to add multiple panels for various metrics. Arranging the panels is easy, simply drag and drop them to your desired layout. To save your dashboard, click on the disk icon at the top right. Provide a meaningful name for your dashboard. Additionally, consider sharing it with your team or stakeholders. To do this, click on the Share icon. Copy the shareable link or invite users directly through email. Finally, monitor your dashboard regularly for insights into data warehouse health. You can set alerts to notify you of any significant changes. This proactive approach will help you maintain optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.